Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making squishies, and we're using squishy foam from Fairfield World. Now to get our patterns, we are using a bunch of different art foamies. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some squishies. Make sure to check out fairfieldworld.com and artfoamies.com to see all of the different products that you can use to make this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.